All right, hello everybody. Welcome to another Cloud Adoption Solutions Chats. As always, my name is Andrew Duncan, and today I have with me the amazing Natalie Batista, who is the head of operations at Cloud Adoption Solutions. How are you doing, Natalie?
Good. Hey, everybody. How are you?
Great. And today we're going to be, covering a quick topic about relabeling standard objects. This was in the new summer 2020 Salesforce release. It's really exciting. It's one of the newer features. So Natalie is going to quickly explain to us how it works and give us a little bit of insight into the topic. So Natalie, if you could take it away.
Sure. We're just going to go into a quick demo of what this functionality is. And it's something very simple that you would think, why didn't I think of that? So hopefully you'll enjoy this. We run into a lot of times with our clients, lingo is different amongst different industries.
Right.
So for instance, if you call someone a client or a customer or a contact, that's three different ways of labeling something. So there is a way in Salesforce to customize your lingo, and that's what we're going to show you today. So real quickly, if you go into your setup and in your quick find, just start typing the word label. It will bring up a section for rename tabs and labels. So this will take you to all of the standard objects in Salesforce that you may not have known that you can change the labeling. So not only can you change the contact into a client or into a customer, you can change the accounts, you can change the opportunity, you can also change the fields within that object. So I'm just going to give you a quick example of changing a field on the contact record that you may think it's just something very simple, but it could be a big deal to someone else.
Right.
So I clicked edit, and this takes me into the actual contact set of fields. If I click next, it takes me to all of the standard fields in Salesforce on the contact record, right? So the one field that I hear a lot is cell phone versus mobile. Salesforce gives you mobile as the field. So on your contact record, you see mobile, and then there's a space for the phone number, right? Well, not everybody calls it a mobile. So if you wanted to, you can just change this to cell. That's kind of what people call it nowadays, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if I click save, it saves the field label. So if I wanted to go back into my contact record and just see what that looks like in action, just going to click on a contact here. We'll choose Edna. Now it says cell.
Fantastic.
Where it used to say mobile. So something that simple could, completely customize the way that your Salesforce org looks.
Fantastic. And do you think this is part of a drive through Salesforce to make the system as customizable and approachable as possible for each and every client?
I do. Sometimes I think people forget about all of the standard native things that Salesforce provides. So yes, they'll give you all of these standard objects like the leads, accounts, opportunities, and then they promote all of the ways you can customize within versus a custom object versus standard. But they don't always talk about being able to customize the standard object. So I think it's pretty cool in that way, where like another example would be if you're on the opportunity record and you call something the amount, this is the perfect chance for you to relabel the amount field to total price.
Right.
Or direct fee, or whatever it is your company or your industry calls this field, you can relabel it.
Yeah, and I think that's really important from a sales operations view as well. In every company, there is a different lingo, as you said before, and your salespeople, it's going to be of really high importance to make sure that they're staying within that lingo so they understand where they are within their own cadence. It's a great feature, I think, and could be really helpful.
Yep, and it goes across all objects. So anything standard in Salesforce, you can just perform the same set of activities that I just did. So going into setup, clicking label, rename tabs and labels. So like I said, if you wanted to not call the account an account and you wanted to label it something different, you can completely customize the way that tab reads for your users.
Really, really exciting stuff. Well,
Yeah,
thank you so much, Natalie, for showing us this, answering some questions. I'm sure our
sure.
viewers will be really excited to test some of these out for themselves. So thank you again.
Sure. Thanks.
All right, thank you everybody for watching. Once again, you can contact us at info@cloudadoption.solutions, or you can go to our web link below in the description and check out our website. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Bye.